everyone, welcome back to the two-part series about BBQ Seitan Pizza. In the first video we made the pumpkin pizza dough. In this video we're going to be making the BBQ Seitan and putting some stuff on it, and it'll be good. First of all, I just wanted to say thank you to anyone that clicked the subscribe button. It really does go a long way, so thank you. So this is a ball of seitan that I made earlier. Click on the link somewhere about how I made it, and we're just gonna go ahead and boil it. Okay, so we have a pot of water that we're just gonna add some salt. Some Chipotle Flakes, and normally I would add tomato paste, but I couldn't find any in the grocery stores, so this is fine. Simmer it for 30 minutes. Okay, so after about 30 to 40 minutes of simmering, our seitan is ready. And we're going to save this liquid. We're just going to cut it up. So we're going to start to make our barbecue sauce. We're going to chop half an onion, clove of garlic. Let's make it 2 cloves. 2 chilies. And we'll move that to the side for now. Next, in a bowl, add a whole tube of tomato puree. This one is 150 grams, so if you have canned tomato paste, that's totally cool too. Next, any type of vinegar you have. So I have 10 tablespoons of vinegar, 5 tablespoons of maple syrup. And I'm gonna use some miso. You can use salt if you want. I'm just gonna add miso for a little extra kick. About a teaspoon of miso. We'll set this aside, then we'll get cooking. Let's turn our pot on to about a medium-high heat. 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. So we're going to bring back our onion and garlic mixture and chilies. So after about a couple minutes, we'll go ahead and add our mixture. Okay, so we'll just add about 2 mugfuls of our seitan water. If you don't have the seitan water that you boiled it in, just go ahead and use regular water. That's totally cool. Also, I forgot to add some Chipotle Flakes, some more Chipotle Flakes. It'll just give a nice smokiness to it. You can also add smoked paprika, but it wasn't available today, so that's alright. So it's reduced to about a little more than half, and I'm pretty happy with it. So now we can use this to make the barbecue seitan now. So I'm just gonna switch sides, move this here, and put our pan on. 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. So we'll just add our seitan that we cut up before. So the seitan has developed some color to it. Now I'm just gonna take some of the barbecue sauce and a ladle full on. Just gonna cook it until it starts to become almost charred, like a little bit charred and almost like it's burnt, but not really. So because that'll give us kind of the barbecue-y effect. I'm happy with that. Transfer it onto a bowl and get it ready. Okay, so we have a baking pan. We lined it with parchment paper, and let's just go ahead and take our dough. It's so fluffy. Oh, it feels nice. Okay, so we're just gonna take it, and I don't care much about the shape of the dough, so I'm just going to press it flat with my fingers. If you want, you can use like a rolling pin or something to flatten it. I'm not about that, so I'm just gonna go ahead and use my fingers here. So there we go. Okay, so let's ladle our sauce on. So this is a barbecue sauce that we made earlier. I like it actually quite saucy. Next we can add our toppings now. Barbecue seitan and some red bell pepper. and just some green onions. We're gonna put this in the oven now at 250 degrees Celsius for about 10 minutes. And here it is. I didn't add any cheese to it, but what I am gonna add is some of the cashew sour cream, the vegan sour cream that I made. You can check the video link above or the description below. And I don't have a squeeze bottle, so I just put it in the Ziploc bag and hopefully it'll have the same effect. Great, so there it is. Hi everyone, so we're done and let's just cut it up and have a taste. Definitely try this one out. As you can see, the dough is it's just beautiful. It's just great. The seitan on top is perfect. Everything is just great. The dough is really nice. The sour cream on top is a nice contrast. It's a nice little vibrant like pop. I hope you guys enjoy this barbecue seitan pizza. It's really easy to make. No, correction. It's not easy to make. There are several steps involved, but it is worthwhile to make. If you're making it for someone you care about, then what does it matter? Make it. So yeah, so that's it, and I'll see you next time. Namaste. Bye bye guys. Me pide más y más hasta que haga calor.